That's flour, right?
We might need all
Really? Really? She just spilled sugar all over the counter.
Aren't those Mama's socks? You got sugar in the salt. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I am going to make a vanilla cake. And I'm missing the vanilla.
What are you looking for now?
My mom used them all.
Oh, what?
Eggs.
Oh.
I saw them earlier and that she used them all. I saw them earlier. So we were gonna make a cake, but we have no eggs since my mom used them all for eggs.
What part of getting eggs involves buying a cheeseburger? Oh wait, did we forget the eggs?
Wait, you did? Oh. I think Pablo's dead.
No, please.
You have mayonnaise in your hair.
What's up, guys? Welcome back again. So we're gonna make a cake today. It's gonna be a vanilla cake. This time we have the vanilla. So I'm gonna have an assistant, but not for the whole thing. Let's get started. First, you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Have you ever seen an oven that says Celsius?
No. 300 degrees. 350. You need 2 9-inch pan round. And you have to line the bottom with parchment paper, then butter the parchment paper.
So basically we're going to cut this circle out and we're going to make it
do it again.
We're going to cut the circle out smaller than the line. What do you mean this is hard? This is like kindergarten stuff.
And I'm 6 years higher than kindergarten. It's been 6 years since I've been in kindergarten.
Oh, that's why. You've been out of school too long because you forgot how to use scissors. It says, okay, this makes no sense. Why would you butter a pan and then line the bottom with parchment paper?
Then butter the parchment paper and dust the pans with
Where does
flour.
it say that? What?
Butter the parchment.
Dust the pans with flour. What is wrong with these people? Hey, this is the Food Network? Alright, we need to make another one. Can I help you?
And action!
No, run!
Lights, camera, drama,
My
action!
cake is coming for me.
Wait. So in here we mixed 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt until well combined. Then in there we mixed 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups sugar until light and fluffy. Now we have to beat the eggs one at a time. You need 4 eggs. Once it's mixed really well, you add 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. So now you want to do is alternate between the milk and the flour. So in all, you're going to need 1 1/4 cups of milk. So I'm first going to pour in my 1 cup of milk. Now you want to alternate with this and this. This is looking more like a dinner so far.
I've never baked a cake.
You haven't?
I've eaten plenty of cake. I do not bake.
I'm gonna spread this first. Spread out this block. 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, this tastes like something. I don't know what though.
Cake batter?
Pudding.
Cake batter tastes like pudding?
Well, kind of.
Alright, what do we need to make
So
frosting?
you need 3 cups powdered sugar, 1/3 cup butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla. Why is that second one so skinny? He's concentrating.
Yeah, look, I'm almost there. I got like 2 more cuts.
Why is it going?
It's falling in. Alright, we gotta get it to the cup. Get it to the cup. Get it to the cup.
What if he's... You need 1.5 teaspoons vanilla. That's good. I want to sift so badly.
Then we'll never be done.
Okay. We have to let these cool for 10 minutes to pop before we pop them out. I'm gonna flip them out. That came out right away. It smells like those disgusting pancakes Mommy used to make. I don't like it. I'll just put it on like a pancake. That works too. Right. Yeah, we're gonna need another coat. I like it. That's weird. This is how it turned out. Not too exciting, but not too bland. I'm proud of it. Done better if I had more. It is what it is. Bye.
Wait a minute.
Sugar.
Why is it on the floor?
So you want to put the flour in, then milk, then flour, then milk, then flour, then milk. No. Flour, milk.
That's not.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Don't mind Mommy, Mother.
Time to make the frosting. No, we're not.
Oh.
Who is this woman?
No, out! Out! 1979. 1979. I do not like that my hand was sticky, sticky. I do not like that my hand was sticky, sticky.
Ready?
If you liked my distraction, like and subscribe. Comment.
Distraction? For what?
Distraction.